You know my lights.
I won't stand for it. Won't stand for it.
Hey, how you doing? All right.
Good. I need a passcode for this one.
Woo, big screen. Oh yeah. Let's just put it up on that right there. Got the new deck in. Just a new deck. Big face. 10, almost 11 inches. Big screen. Swivel. Turn. See that? Draw a line. All right, I got it on. Just powered it on for the first time. Used my energy starter. I just did a little quick hookup, you know.
Just make sure all the T's crossing their T's.
Oh shit, we got radio. You hear the sound? Yes, sir. 10.1 inch Android indash. Got it hooked up outside of the car. Well, just a test. I put a little testing together, and just to figure out, you know, how to operate, because this thing got so much. Wireless connection. Start now. See, now we mirror linked. Look at that. Turn it sideways. Make sure that's off. So look. Good.
Bitch, when your kids ain't even got no clothes on the table. Bitches see and wanna come and choose. On the beat, bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming.
That's what it is. Mortal Kombat. Yes, sir. We got this cut out. Don't worry about them little ridges and stuff. I'm gonna get all that smoothing out real quick. But everything right here, the weldwood. Yes, sir. Drill and just boom, drill holes all the way around, and then took my needle noses and just peeled it out. Boom, 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 peeled it out. Okay, y'all, now we done got all the rough edges out. Now it's all smooth, as you can see. All right, y'all, you probably can't see it because it's like real fine, but I already took my pen and marked around where I'm gonna put the adhesive on my all right, y'all, we got the glue on there, the adhesive, weldwood. Got the dash all dipped down. All right, y'all, back at y'all. We wrapped the dash. Thing came out beautiful, man. I'm proud of myself. And customized, made a hole for the stereo. So I use my razor. I mark where my cut. Just one little cut right there. One's cut across right here. But back here, got all my wires ran for my camera. So now got the camera mounted You see what the back say? I'm a runner. Yes, sir. I made my own custom, because you can have it. You can hook the reverse camera to, you know, your shifter mechanism, so when you put it in reverse, it'll pop on. But I want it so when I'm blowing doors off, you know what I mean, I just push this button right here. And look, that's behind us, y'all. Yes, sir. So no matter what, I can turn my radio on. If I'm driving, just push this button. Got a reverse camera. Or if I need to just back up, got reverse. On and off switch. Custom shit, you feel me? I did all this myself. If y'all want a how-to video, hit me up, let me know. Dash, did all that. Did that, hooked the deck up. Got my gauges, everything working. Yep, to be continued.